What have humans achieved in space?
First, after sending a man to the moon, he came back. Second, they found the distance between the Earth and, and the Sun. Third, they succeeded in observing the gra- gravitational wave. Fourth, they succeeded in observing the black hole. Finally, they have uncovered the shape of our galaxy.
First, humans grew rectors in space, and we can sleep standing up in space. Also, we sent a message to space and landed on the moon. Lastly, we can eat space food in space.
They sent robots to Mars, and they displayed a mirror on the moon's surface for other experiments, and they sent satellites to orbit around the Earth, and building international space stations, and collecting meteor parts in space.
Okay, I start.
Okay.
Human made satellites on the space area. Human have reached another planet in solar system, and human sent some rockets out of the solar system, and human found almost everything in the solar system what exists, and human even sent some message to aliens out of the solar system.
We go to the moon and stamp a human's footprint, and people can play in space shuttle, and we grow plant in the space shuttle, and we can eat some snacks in space, and we can collect space metals.
Mm, First, go to the moon by the Apollo 11 mission and landing on Mars and building the space station and finding a planet similar to Earth and the ring of Jupiter.
Humans sent probes to study Mars, like Curiosity or some sort of. And humans put a dog in Sputnik second to see if life can survive in the space. Voyager is still going through the space, and the International Space Station (ISS) is still working in the space.
The International Space Station has the longest period of continuous human presence in space, for 3,000 days on the Earth, and humans studied the effects of microgravity and space environment on the human body like heart and eye pressure, and scientists studied the planet's gravitropism in space. By Hubble Space Telescope, humans found that planet forms from one star and its deliberate disk. Scientists found that quasars are not stars, but they are giant luminous disks formed by the energy of black hole.
People are exploring space, starting with the moon landing. People found the Earth orbiting the Sun. We became aware of the existence of the solar system. We have learned of the existence of our own galaxy and other galaxies. We are looking for other life forms in the universe.
Human beings went to the moon and the orbital satellite, settling over satellite, and the Mars exploration, and the possibility of civilian space travel, and it built the International Space Station.
Humans have been to moon and set up a space station in space and sent messages to aliens and sent probes to various planets in the solar system and sent probes to the sun and commenced to explore.
First, it's a great mission that people go to the moon and land on the moon. first instead, and some astronauts live in International Space Station. And I heard there was an experiment that breed animals in the space. That is our thing, and they live there, so they eat of food and send a message to Earth. Yeah.
Okay. First, human did moon landing. Second, living in space station. Third, space work. Fourth, installed a telescope in space. And last, flight to the moon.
Okay, sent the dogs to space and launched satellites and built International Space Station and launched planetary probes.
And now let's look at a relevant quote.